The Task Manager is used to assign tasks for a contact. Tasks can be set to be completed either by you or by other users. Tasks are specific to contact records. Suppose you wanted to add a new task for the current contact, James Smith. The Task Manager is available on the same screen as user-defined fields, but over to the right. The Task Manager pane is what we'll use to add tasks. To add a task for this contact, click the green Add button on the Task Manager. This will ask you for the user for whom you want to assign the task. You can either choose another user or click Self to assign the task to yourself. You can assign this task to the General box, meaning you don't care who finishes this task. Other users can check the General box for tasks or leads. For now, let's choose Self. To view all the tasks for this contact, click the magnifying glass. A window will be displayed with the current task along with any other tasks for this contact. Let's add another task from here. After typing the task description, click All Tasks to view all other tasks. Clicking on a task will allow you to modify times, dates, and priorities. Let's add a task to a different contact, one named John Mary. Once you have entered many tasks to be performed on several contacts, it can become unwieldy to remember when to do them all, or what you should be doing right now. For this, you'll want to click the Find Pending Now button. Find Pending Now allows you to select the box from which to pull tasks, and then automatically selects contacts which have tasks marked to do. Here, it shows the two contacts we had given tasks. Suppose these tasks weren't due today, but were instead due next week. Clicking Find Pending Now will return nothing because there's nothing to do right now, only in the future. Clicking the yellow A for All will retrieve all the tasks to do, regardless of whether they should be done now or not. You can also select contacts with tasks based on the contact's time zone, whether it's East Coast, Central, or other. Sometimes, the task you want to perform later is a common or complicated one, so you don't want to have to write it out every time. In this case, instead of clicking the green Add button, we'll use the Assign button, which is a blue A. Currently, we don't have any assigned task snippets. Let's click Add to add a few. Now that we have commonly used tasks at hand, we can insert some into the found set of contacts, or we can assign them to only the current contact by clicking the circular Insert button next to the task description. Again, it allows you to choose to whom this task should go. As seen here, multiple users or agents have tasks for this contact. Mary Smith should call this person today, whereas our user, John Smith, should call and email this person a week from now. Once you're done performing a task, you can either click clear on the task or press done. Regardless of whether you click clear or done, both actions are logged in the history tab for the contact.